Have you ever wondered how to fix white screen of WordPress error if it's not caused from a plugin conflict? In previous video, we have fixed white screen of that error by fixing the plugin conflict issue, and in this video or in next couple of minutes, we will be fixing white screen of WordPress issue by switching our theme. Like if you made recent changes into your theme and now you are unable to access your website, you can still get back access to your WordPress website without any issues and under 1 minute. All right, let's quickly jump into the fix. All right, I am going towards the code structure or directory of my WordPress website, and here is the folder structure of my website. Inside my WP content folder, as I know, I have made few changes into my active theme, which is named as Listivo, and currently I am unable to access my site. Like once you don't have access to your WordPress admin panel and you are working on a live site, first priority is always to make sure to bring your website back to life. So I am simply renaming my active theme folder. All right, once done, I can simply try to go back and see if that works for me. Okay, so site is working all good and everything seems fine to me. All right, so what was the issue? The issue may be we have changed a theme and that theme is having some sort of a conflict or anything like that. Now you see our theme is still active back to the Listivo, and we got our admin panel back, and from here we can go to the themes, and once we are inside the themes we can activate any of the theme we want at the moment to make sure our site stays back and our site becomes live again. All right, so once we have access to backend, we can perform anything. And now we can also see, as our site and admin panel is accessible, now we can switch back to our theme like this, because our theme is currently active. And then we can go like what change we made. In my case, I simply made a change into functions.php file, and maybe that is some sort of a fatal error which is causing or leading towards this issue. Now I can simply go back and try to rename it and save my theme. All right, so now if I just okay, as it my file got changed earlier and I have to okay, right, now I have simply saved my theme file like to a previous version once again, and now if I try to access my website again, it should be all good. So let's see where we are, because switching themes and finding everything again can be some sort of a time taking thing, but eventually it will be working for us. Okay, come on. In the meantime, I can also check like here if our theme is not broken anymore. Okay, perfect. So now our theme is fully stable and not broken, and what we can simply click on the activate, and that's all. All right. Once our theme is activated, we can simply go back and see if okay, all right, now we can simply go back and view our WordPress website, and it should be showing everything fine and as intended based on our theme, which caused towards the error of WordPress white screen of death. All right, we have learned two things in this particular video. One, we have learned how to gain back access to our WordPress admin panel once we got a white screen of death issue due to the recent changes from our theme files. All right, and we also verified how to deactivate a theme from our folder structure by using or having access to like FTP or cpanel or whatever way. Once we are able to access our files, we can always revert back our active theme to its working stable state. All right, if still your issue is not fixed for WordPress white screen of death errors, In the next video, I will be covering one more fix which is related to the memory exhausted issues. So at times WordPress white screen of death issue occurs due to the memory limit. All right. For the next video, subscribe to our channel and I'll be there with the next precious tutorial for you. Bye bye.